good morning. Good afternoon pala. Kasi, it is like mga 1. Ayan na si Miguel! You cannot see Miguel because Miguel is so white. And he's crying. Already, you cry, Miguel. You cry, girl. So, today is araw ng kagitingan. April 9? April 9 ba ngayon? Oh, yeah. It's April 9 and walang klase, obviously. Walang pasok kasi holiday. But, sana wala talagang pasok ngayon, guys. Kasi, summer vacation na. But since, naiba na yung summer school calendar nila sa Ashi. So, ngayon, April na. Meron pa din silang pasok. So, yeah, until May yung nila, yung school nila, guys. Why I look so tired? My face has a lot of look at my powder all over my mouth. Sorry. Na-loss of track na naman sa sinasabi. So, yun. We're going to Colon. Colon siguro, yeah. We're going to Colon and then we are going to Unitop or kasi maghahanap kami nung fit na blouse na long sleeve para kay Sasha kasi gagamitin nila this Friday and we haven't found anything nung Sunday nung nagpunta kami sa SM, wala sila. So ayun, we will just be searching the Colon kasi meron naman doon sa SM sana pero ang mahal, guys, 500 pesos. Tapos hindi naman niya talaga gagamitin yung parang lalagyan lang niya ng mga decor something kasi hindi ko din alam kung anong gagawin na dun. So I feel like it's too much price. You know naman me, if you're watching my vlog, gusto ko yung mga tipid-tipid yan. So we are going there to Colon, sa Unitop muna, and then kung wala doon, maghahanap kami sa iba. Yung marami naman doon, meron ding 138, so marami ding mga Taiwanese na shop doon. So, kakain muna kami and yeah, see you later. This is Colon Street. It looks so old. This is the longest naman. Sabihin ko sa the longest. Diba? Yeah. Oldest street in the Philippines. Am I right? Diba? This is Sangong. Ang daming dito dati, guys, dyan. Meron na ba diya? Diri sa Pikas, no? Sinihan, no?
Lane Theater.
Lane Theater. Yan. I remember kami ni Mother, nanood kami dyan.
Tanaw mo diya?
Yeah, Sharon Cuneta na na movie. Of course, we don't watch anything na other than Sharon Cuneta. That's why my name is Sharon. Yan, Colon Street. Umuulan. Weird yung ulan kasi kanina doon ang lakas tapos biglang na, konti na lang, ambon-ambon na lang. But it's so dark. It's still 3 the afternoon and it's summer. Araw ng kagitingan. Global warming na daw, sabi nila. But, unsa dyan ang tinoda na, be? About the export. Of course,
no such thing as expert.
Ikaw man na expert.
Ay, wala mong gulo ko.
But,
why are you turning left?
Kay policeman siya. Uy, illegal lagi ng police. The police turns left there. Can I turn left? No left turn. No left turn. Grabe talaga yung pulis sa Pilipinas, guys. Nakamera ko pero no left turn doon tapos nag-left yung pulis. Oh, Diyos ko. Pulis pa naman. Rule breakers ang mga rulers. Oh my God. Uy, nawala tuloy yung chika namin sa global warming ni Rocky.
Well, it's a lie.
Of course, it's a lie. Pero naman, there's something manggod nga gigo.
Climate change.
Kuan government. But, for me yung mga calamities na nangyayari dito ngayon sa world is, for me, it's a man-made thing. Yeah, ever since nung
Climate change.
yung earthquake dito sa Cebu. We don't have that much earthquake na guys. Tapos biglang may fault line na dito sa sa Cebu. That is so weird. And sa Bohol din yung malakas na earthquake biglaan. That's why we have our houses cement, diba? No, kasi we don't experience earthquake that often and hindi ganyan din kalakas, but
We don't experience that often. It's always close.
Yeah, right. Whatever. Guys, nandito na kami sa Unitop. Unitop di ate. Bili na si ate ng ano, eto. Parang ano, mura lang, 499. Ayan. Yan, Unitop. Ayan yung ano sa akin. Yan din yung kay Baba. Finish na ba? Did you see Miss Type pa ba? Tapos na rin kami! Finally! Hey! Guys, we're finally home. Sweet home! Grabe. So tired. It's almost 7 and hindi pa kami nakapag-dinner. Nakapag-dinner kasi walang kanin. I need to make luto pa da kanin to make lungag da kanin. Yung natirang kanin ay hindi. Mas marami to konti pag kinuhaan ni Ruki. Tapos ayan na. Nakapagsaing na ako. Hopefully mabilis lang to. Kasi I can't take it anymore na. Grabe. Mga 30 minutes or 20 minutes siguro. Ayan. Ayan yung ano namin.
Kanilan to, kanito ko.
O niya raw ay, nakakaon sa kong donut. Ay, ito yung ano, bumili na lang kami ng chicken para mas mabilis. Doon na kami magluluto. Tapos, para makatipid din. Ayaw din namin kumain doon sa labas kasi lagi man kami kumain sa labas. Tapos magastos. Ayan. Take tilaok. Our favorite to, masarap. Aside from Mr. Lempo. Yan, batong. Say, batong sitaw, bataw, batanin. Yay! Oh, I just realized na bungi pala ako, guys. Look at my shorts and my t-shirt. Natapunan pala ng kinain kong donut. Oh my goodness. Tingnan muna tayo ng ano, right and light na root beer. Kasi wala pa yung kanin. Oh my God. Masarap. Masarap tong brand na to. Nasa SM. Tapos may nakita din ako sa, I don't know, sa Metro ba? Tapos 17.50 pesos lang. Lami.
I don't like root beer.
Taste like root beer pala yun. Taste like toothpaste, di ba ba? Before, yung hindi pa ako nakatry ng ano, ng root beer, yung cousin ko si Ketty pa lang, sabi niya, pag pupunta kami ng Jollibee, gusto niya ng root beer. Sabi ko, let me try the root beer. And then when I tasted the root beer, it tastes like a toothpaste. Gana, mas okay pa galin siya, mas okay pa to. Doesn't taste na parang toothpaste. Yung sa Jollibee, jud ba? Mas grabe yung sa Jollibee dati kasi tastes like a toothpaste. That's why I tell her nga.
Interesting taste.
Ano na lang yung magkutaw na lang ba? Mag-mix na lang kami ng toothpaste sa ano, tapos lagyan namin ng unsa man para mas sparkly. Di man sparkling. Sprite, tapos toothpaste. And it tastes like a root beer. Oh my God, I think I'm drunk already. Huy! Sabi ko kay Baba, ano, hintayin niya akong kumain. Tapos nauna-una na siya dyan, no. Guys, eto pala yung napamili namin from Unitop. Oh my God, it's so heavy. I'm gonna make a haul on this one. Watch out for that. Yeah, today is Tuesday, but we are...
Oh,
Tuesday. Ano ba? So, we are planning to film that on Saturday kasi may klase pa. So, hopefully sa Saturday and I'm gonna upload that on hopefully sa Monday. Pag natapos ko siyang i-edit agad. Hopefully, if not Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. Grabe, that was so exciting. Ang exciting talaga mamili sa Unitop kasi ano, today, ang dami nilang mga bago tapos super mura. Oh my God. As in, ano ba, urusay. So yan, watch out for that hole, guys. Yes. Baka yun yung mauna. Yeah. Baka yun yung mauna. Ingat, ayan, ang kalat ni ate. Yan yung pinaghahanap namin. Pumunta kami sa Familia House, tapos walang ganito yung furry white, furry orange, tsaka, ang sarap today? Basta walang white. Tapos, wala din yung isa, yan yung ginagawa namin dyan sa Familia. Buti na lang, meron sa metro, pagpunta namin, no? Dahil, no? Yung long na tassel na white, tsaka yung furry white. Busy si ate. You need to finish that one, okay?
Tabangi ko sa
Nyanyong!
katong red.
Nyanyong! Mag-eat sa aming baba, okay? We're just gonna eat first. We're so hungry. Okay, bye. Ikaw, di ka mag-eat?
Di.
Ano siya?
Ay, ayan na lang eat. Uy, diba, no?
Oh, di mo.
Oh, look at that. Diba, te? Bye, te. It done? Is it the last step na? Be, let me hold it. Kaluoy siya na ate. Uy, kaluoy. Look at ate, guys. Short hairs na. Short hairs. Short hair na si ate. Ate is so serious. Kasi she is a marjorette. No? Can I watch the marjorette die?
No.
Gina, die.
Not
What
invited.
happened to this, bra?
Ayaw, i-touch. I-touch din
Sakit pa
mo.
din na.
I don't know.
Filler ka.
Pinapay binana. I don't know.
Yeah. Di na di ay ito.
Yan naman na. Isa may nagpasabak mo.
Ambot, ana, oy, pautan, si I don't know.
Lula.
Hudahu. Hudahu.
Di kasi ganito. Di kasi may kasi.
Uy, bilisan mo nang ipilit yan, oy, para matapos na. May pilit pa ka sa blouse, di ba?
Ikaw yung
Oh, not me.
ikaw kay.
Not
Hindi
me.
ko kay bawang sa akin.
Oh, yan, meron ng shining, shimmering, splendid. Tapos may feathery pang ganap dyan. Tapos may lakukaracha dito. Lakukaracha. O, diba? Bongacious na. Ngayon lang naisipan ni ate. Ilang beses na niyang ginamit tong boots niya. Pero, just now talaga, after 1 year niyang ginamit yung boots niya. Ngayon lang niya naisipan lagyan ng mga char.com.
Ito 1 year.
Good job, ate. You're so late na. Yan. Slow-mo. Guys, we're doing DIY pa pala sa ano ni ate. Oh my God. So, I'm gonna show you the before ni ate na blouse. Yup.
Hiyak na po.
Turn around. Spin.
Kita kong pattern mo.
Here is ate's before shirt. Yan na, i-stretch yung ko. Yan. But we need to cut it like that. 3/4. Finish sewing the lakukaracha. This one, the ruffly dito. Tapos pagdikit niyan, ganyan na yung itsura niya yan, guys. So, it's very easy to do. You just make like the same way you make a circle skirt. Yan. Tapos I just, finish the raw edges para hindi siya mag-frail. And then, dito din, nag-zigzag din ako. Tapos, I attach the lining together. Tapos, si Sashi is gonna attach that one. Anong ginawa mo? Nana? Uwi na okay na eh. Kaya, butangan man o kuan. We're gonna put gold, diba?
Oo.
Okay na. That's fine. Ayan. So, we're just going to attach this one after na running stitch ni Sashi yung Hello guys, so it's already 8:30. It's time to say goodnight now. There's nothing to vlog. It's time to take a rest. This is such a weird angle, but who cares? So yan, nagagawin pa daw kami ni Sashi. Meron pa siyang ipaggawa sa akin, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it. Basta, oh yeah, yun na lang. So I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. Guys, make sure to like this video, give it thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, guys, if you are new to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on my latest video. So thank you once again, and yeah, always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile, and I will see you in the next one. Oh yes, me.